I think it's recording. Let's go slide these tandems. They took a little bit longer than I thought over here. Just kind of getting worried because I took some load to go pick it up down in Kansas. It's working. Hopefully that microphone is working. Let's send this broker this POD. Man. I released the brake. I didn't realize I got to slide first. Whenever you're sliding, if you're new to this, what you want to do is when you pull off the dock, obviously your airbags are aired down. You wanna hit your tractor brake pull, release your trailer, bump up the idle to fill up the system, raise the bags. Once you see 125 on your PSI built up tractor and trailer, then you're gonna release your trailer and go pull that pin. I see a lot of people, they struggle sliding because you don't have air. And they're out there, stressed out what's going on and whatnot. Tip for the day, I guess, from a rookie. Let's see if this thing is still recording. Okay. What the hell is going on here? Screw it. I think it's recording. Yeah, that sucked for that guy. His coils fell out. I don't even know how that happened, how they fell back. I guess they were slowly sliding, and then once he hit that curve, shifted and then fell back. That sucks. But yeah, we're gonna go pick this load up. I think it's some glass or something. I figure I make some driving videos. This one's not a POV, like GoPro POV. But it's still a POV, right? It's a nice day. Real nice weather. Which one's the turning lane? Seems like this area was booming at one point. It seems pretty dead right now. I don't know. It's like this industrial zone. Kellogg's. This is where the cereal's made. That's a big old plant. Funny enough, there's a Snap-on truck right there. I think he came hunting for some victims. Would be cool to go in there and see all this stuff I'm not gonna buy. But the nice thing is, I got this almost plumbed up. As you can see, I kind of hooked it up right here. Got the air line ran into the horn. I might have to shorten it a little bit so there's kind of less tension on there. I got the cable ran up here, and then I made some connectors right here so I can unplug it. And this is my city horn, so I'm gonna make a connector on here as well and make it connectable to this, so if I ever want to connect it back to that, I can run it right here. And the nice thing is, I'm still gonna have a quieter highway horn right there that I can use with the pull of the lever. But these three hopefully get pretty loud. I don't know why I said three. There's two. Oh, did I have a horn fall out? That is crazy. I did not even notice the horn freaking fell out. That's wild. Maybe that's why they're so quiet. That's crazy. I literally did not even notice this. But we'll see how these two do, I guess. And I'll see if I can grab another horn from Chrome Shop, just screw in there. That's wild. But the thing does work. I mean, you can hear it. Can hear it click, so we'll see. That's pretty crazy and disappointing that that horn fell out. That's wild. Yeah, let's finish this up, hopefully get a load. Hi, we got it set up. As you can see, there's the valve, the cable goes up there. I also zip tied it to the 90-degree fitting, so it kind of takes the pressure off the housing itself. They go in here and then comes out. Should be good. It definitely is loud, but I need to get another horn here to really have that horn, train horn effect. And then, just in case you're wondering how I hooked it up under here, that's my diesel heater kicking on. You can see right there. So I just screwed it in right there and fed the what's it called, the airline over there. Sure, to be honest, I was gonna swap it. Like, when I mean swap it, I was gonna put this fitting down and then this one down, but I wanted the airline to go this way. I didn't want to bend here as well. But either way, regardless, I'm just afraid there's gonna be like condensation in here. But it's like, you know, screw it. I'll just turn on my horn and let that condensation head out. Hello. You gotta love it when you go into a trailer and you gotta take these freaking nails out of their floor,
because they want to block and brace BS. Man, let's check throughout. Just like I like to keep my equipment nice and just sweep this thing out. Oh man, I don't see any other ones. Like I said, this is a 22 Great Dane. And then you see stuff like this where they hit this cross member. It's bent. You know, it just makes you mad how careless these people are. And then it can just be like super difficult to deal with some of these things. Like unless it's like a big issue, like unless they put a hole in your roof or something. Like what are you gonna do? What am I gonna do? File an insurance claim because they ruined my cross member, even though it's not like broken, but they did damage it. It's windy out here. Hopefully you can still hear me. But I just got some load to Memphis, which hopefully works out. And I do need to wash this truck. This thing is filthy. Just straighten that bumper, connect some more lights. Yada yada yada, always something to do, you know how that goes. Let's throw these nails in this box. This key fell off. But yeah, let's show you now when it's daytime. Doesn't look that dirty on pictures, I mean on video. It's extremely dirty, and this bumper is all messed up. I installed a new light here. I'm yet to connect this watermelon light. And yeah, it would be nice to paint this hood so it's all one color, or paint the truck in general. But just no time or money to be doing that, you know? But yeah, you can see the crease right here, how it's bent. I need to just try to straighten it out. It'll be fine. Alright, let's answer this. Catch you later.